to. And we are getting reports of some high water spots. So let's send it over to Lauren Tallarico. She's in the weather tracker in Northwest Harris County. Standing outside. Lauren, what are you seeing right now?
Well, standing outside because the rain has stopped, which is good news because we got about 4 inches of rain in just a few hours here. So yeah, we're near Cypress. This is North Eldridge Parkway, not too far from Fallbrook. Several of these roads, these side roads have been closed because of high water. A big chunk of North Eldridge Parkway has been closed too, but it is now pretty passable. So even within the past 10 minutes, I say, a lot of the water has drained off, but you can still see people trying to get through right here. You can see the water is high. A lot of people had to pop up on the curb because the water was well past their wheels. And you just never know, of course, you know the saying, turn around, don't drown, better safe than sorry. And that's what a lot of people here did. Honestly, I'd say within the past 10 minutes, the water has significantly gone down, which, as I mentioned before, is good news because they had a lot of rain in a short period of time. Sun is back out right now. Hopefully it stays that way and everything drains. That's the good news. Back to you.
All right, yeah, you can see a lot of those, even those SUVs parked up on the median behind you, just trying to stay out of that water. Thanks, Lauren.